Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to get the Bunq IBAN account number. So first we're going to go to the Bunq app. So once we're logged in, we're going to go to our account details. We're going to go to profile. Then under the profile section, we're going to click on account details. So there's where we're going to find the IBAN account number. As you can see, the IBAN number is consistent of the country code, the check number, the bank identifier, as well as your account number. You could also find it on your card, your Bunq ID card. It's also present there. You can also get it on receipts. As you can see, there's the IBAN bank account number. So you guys could find it in 3 methods. So this is how you can visualize and find your IBAN account number. We have different playlists on our YouTube channel. I hope you guys go and visit them. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I will see you again. Goodbye.